Hi, I'm Eric from EComposer Shopify Page Builder. Welcome to EComposer extension tutorials. To begin with, any online business will need to gather customer information, have to get their permission. So, the best way is through the cookie bar. This is especially crucial for stores selling products to EU customers, so that you're complying with the GDPR and other privacy regulations. That's the key reason why you need cookies bar. So, how cookies bar look like? The cookies bar look like this, or this. And its function is to get informed consent to use cookie before visitors start browsing your site. Now, let's move to the main part, how to use cookie banner. There are many ways, such as using a third-party app. However, I would recommend you use this way because it will affect your page loading speed, and most of them are not free to use. So, it would be a good solution to use cookie banner of EComposer, which is 100% free, and if you haven't installed EComposer yet, please click on the link in the description below. Now, let's jump to installing the extension. Before we start, I have to notice that the extension can work on the whole page categories, so you just need to choose one page type to apply the extension. Another thing that I have to mention is that EComposer provides users with a template library whenever you open the editor. So now you just need to choose one favorite template and click Choose. So this is the outcome. Now we will install the extension. Please take a look on the extension library on the top bar. Scroll down and you can see cookies bar. Please click Install now. Now we will manage its setting. Overall, we provide three different settings. The first one is general. To begin with, you can see editable cookies bar. Click here and you can show the cookies bar. You can also change the content of the cookies bar here and edit the title of the allow button. We also provide you with the extension position and alignment setting. Next, you have icon setting. You can also add the icon or upload a thumbnail image in here. Finally, we have style setting and you can change it as you want. Now I will save the setting and publish the template. Let's take a look on the live site. So now you can see the extension is working properly in here. It shows the cookie content and its button. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.